Okay, what do you feel like you're gonna run your?
You guys want to do prediction times?
Yeah, let's hear it.
I'll say 6:40.
You're 6:40. That's gonna be your pace.
That's my goal.
Even with your milk.
Yeah, that's my goal.
And what about you? You're gonna be the next top dog right there, maybe.
6:35.
Okay, okay, 6:35. Nice, nice. Do we got any more predictions? What about you over there?
Under 15.
Under 15.
Minutes.
What is your mile gonna be?
Under 15 minutes.
Okay. 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 Next.
That's it. That's a safe goal.
In front of him.
Yeah, there you go. I like that attitude right there.
Yeah, I say the last guy has to finish whatever's left.
All right. And we got one guy that's got spiked shoes, so he's not gonna slip. And then there's all the chocolate milk right there. There's a lot of glasses right there.
The finish line. And when you finish, you gotta crush it in your head. If you puke, you gotta run an extra lap. Okay, are you gonna keep track of time?
Yeah.
You know how to use it? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, there's a button that says start. I think I'll cheers. Cheers first.
I know, what an ass, right?
So we are just dropping our cups? Or we gotta put on the
Cheers. Hold up your cups. Take a picture.
Sure. Yeah. Put a camera.
Wrong way, Jackson. Okay. On your mark, get set, go. Go.
Remember, the first one's always the easiest.
Oh man, heavy.
Chris is slow ass shit, dude. You better be faster on the run. Don't slip. Yeah. This is so funny. The funny thing is they feel great right now, but wait till the third cup. They're going to be like belching chocolate milk, and that does not sound good.
It'll look great.
They're not even like chocolate milk anymore either, and that's the worst part of it. They're going to ruin chocolate milk.
I know, they're not going to want to drink that for a while.
All right, here comes the first person, first lap. Good job, brother.
You're at minute 20 right now.
All right, here comes the rest of the crew.
Oh my god.
Chris is complaining.
Don't be afraid to throw up.
All right, Joe. That's how you do it, baby.
Drink it all. What up? Minute 45.
Come on, big dog. You got him, dude. You got him. Just pound that milk. Get out there. Don't let nobody call you Ralph. I'm surprised we don't have any girls doing this. Why didn't you sign up?
Come on, Scott. No thanks.
You don't like chocolate milk?
No, it's a Saturday. I don't run on Saturdays.
You would have done good. Guaranteed. Holy moly! Holy smokes! Big Dog Joe! Give me Shaka, baby. Come on.
You're at 3 minutes.
It's so funny. Good job, Ken. Good job, man.
Okay, Mike.
Good job, brother.
Oh, side pain already.
Oh, Chris.
Shit, I'm full already.
Bro, you're doing so good too.
Come on, Eddie!
Hey, just throw up and run the extra lap.
There you go.
Go on the grass if you have to.
Eddie!
Go on the grass.
Tell us, what's going through your mind right now?
Keeping that chocolate milk down.
You didn't have no PBJ before you started. That was the problem. Good one, brother. It's going to be a close one between you and Eddie.
Chocolate bird.
You're so out of shape.
No, it's just the chocolate milk holding you back.
Lap you.
All right, third lap. First person in.
Last one, huh?
Yep. Good job, brother.
Good job, Mike. Come on, Chris.
Chris is catching up. Third place right there. The guy that made this event.
You guys are at 5 minutes.
And the guy that's been in second the whole time, he's lost his gas.
Yep.
Oh, that's too bad, bro. I was rooting for you.
Come on, breathe.
Yeah.
It must be the shoes. You needed different shoes. Don't worry about it, Ken. You're doing good, bro. You're doing good. Doing good, bro. Holy shit, Chris looks like he's flying. Dang. He's trying to catch. He's not catching.
Oh, look, Eddie. Eddie!
He's not catching.
Catch his breath.
Took it. No way. This is actually. Woo! Sprint finish, baby. Come on. Let's see it. Take it, Joe. Take it. Take it. Oh!
Nice job.
Unbelievable! Nice one, Chris. Third place isn't bad.
Sprint in. So bad. She put it in first. Sorry.
Oh no! Oh, that didn't look good, Eddie. It didn't look like you were ready to give it up right there.
Nobody needs water?
Guys are doing good, man. Guys are doing good. Keep it together. Keep it together. Good one, man. Last lap, Ken. You forgot your milk. Oh, that was 4 for him. Okay.
That's his 4.
I don't know how they drank so fast, jeez.
They're thirsty. Uh-oh. He's gonna get you before. He's gonna get. Oh, almost.
Put in his stomach. We'll be slowing down.
Nice job, brother. Come on, Eddie. You're 4.5 minutes from your PR.
Go, Eddie!
Nice.
Go, Kobe!
Nice, brother. Good job. Good job.
8 cups you gotta finish.
The girls are going to help you, they said.